If you're going to be using pesticides in your landscape, make sure that you have sprayers that are labeled. As you can see, this sprayer is labeled for herbicides. This sprayer is labeled for fungicides. Now, you don't want to get the two crossed up and confused, okay? Because if you still have herbicides in this one, right, and you want to switch up and use a fungicide in it, guess what? If you spray your plants, it's going to be damaged because it still has residue in it from the herbicide. So that's why it's important to have two sprayers if you can, and make sure that those sprayers are labeled. Again, herbicides, fungicides. Don't get the two confused. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.